DynaMut2. So click to your official website. You could see the home page of DynaMut2. Scroll down, you could see single mutation part. Click to this. You could see two things, that is single mutation and mutation list. You need not to fill anything at your mutation list. You can directly fill your single mutation. One thing you can upload as .pdp file, otherwise you can enter RCSB ID. That is RCSB PDP ID you can enter here. I'm going to upload my .pdp file. Yes, I've uploaded my .pdp file here. So mutation details, how you need to fill here. They have given you example there, that is L45G. At your chain, they have given I. This is an example. I'll teach you how to fill this. So L is going to be your leucine, which is present at the 45th position at the I chain, and which is going to get muted to glycine. So this is how you need to enter. So let me enter my part, that is actually R50A, and my chain is going to be B. So you could see R50A, that is arginine, which is present at the 50th position in the B chain, which is going to mute to alanine. So this is how you need to enter your mutation details. Once you have completed this, go for your mail ID. It is optional, but try to give your mail ID because your results will get saved for 7 days. After 7 days, it will get automatically deleted. So let me give my um, mail ID. So I'll give submit. Yeah, our result is getting processed. If there is any error, it will actually not process your result. Yes, we have got a result. We have got negative, that is D-stable. If we would have got positive, it would have been stable. And let's go for our visualization. So I have kept my chain for scheme, cartoon representation at whiteboard, and it is a wild type visualization here. So now you could see arginine 50 is present here, wild type. Now let's see the mutation type. Go here, take for your mutation type. Now you could see alanine 50. So it has muted the arginine to alanine, and you can screenshot this and you can download your PyMol session here. Thank you.